Please remember to give my video a like or leave me a comment, even if it's just a smiley face or a heart or a flower, whatever. At this point, the YouTube algorithm pretty much ignores my videos, and you leaving a comment, giving a like, sends the message to the algorithm and to me that people do care about my tutorials. Thank you. The yarn that I use is Boho Spirit. This is 100% acrylic. I will use 2 skeins or 200 grams, and one skein has 240 meters. A good substitute would be Red Heart Unforgettable, because in 100 grams there are 246 meters. So here it's 240 meters and here it's 246. So this yarn is almost identical to this yarn. I want to mention here that using 2 skeins of yarn, the scarf came out 42 inches long and the width is 10.5 inches. So this is a somewhat short scarf. I can tie it around my neck, but I definitely cannot wrap it around my neck. If I were to stitch the ends of the scarf together, it would give me a lovely cowl. So just keep that in mind. If you want to make your scarf longer, use 3 skeins of yarn and your scarf will come out to be about 63 inches long, or you can turn it into a cowl. Another option is to reduce the width by 1 pattern repeat. So that will save you some yarn and your scarf will come out longer. The hook size that I'm using is size H, 5 millimeters. I start with 55 chains. 1, 2, 3. Here I have 55 chains and I start the first row. Into the 5th chain from the hook, I will work 3 trebles. We never count the chain on the hook, we always start counting from the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and into this chain I work 3 trebles. 1, 2, 3. Next 2 chains. 1, 2. I skip 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the next chain I make a single crochet. 2 chains. 1, 2. I skip the next 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the next chain I will work 7 trebles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Here I worked 7 trebles. Next 2 chains. 1, 2, and again I skip 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the next one I will work a single crochet. Be careful here, because after you crochet all these trebles into the same chain, the next chain becomes small and difficult to see. Make sure you are counting that chain too. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the next one a single crochet. And now the pattern begins to repeat from here. Again, I make 2 chains. 1, 2. I skip 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the next chain I work 7 trebles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and again 2 chains, 1, 2, skip 4 chains. Now this chain became really tiny and difficult to see, but I still need to count it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the next one a single crochet. And that's how I'm going to continue crocheting this row, and I'll see you at the end of the row. Here I am at the end of the row. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains left. I make 2 chains, skip the next 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the last one I work 4 trebles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the first row. I turn my work and I start the next row with 1 chain, and into this first treble I make a single crochet. Next 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I skip all these trebles, and into the next single crochet I work a single crochet. And over here I insert the hook not only under 2 loops on the top, but through 3 loops. Like this, and I work a single crochet. Next 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I skip the next 3 trebles, 1, 2, 3, and into the next one, which is the middle one of this group of 7 trebles, inserting the hook directly into the treble, not simply under the 2 loops on the top, but directly over here. I work a single crochet. And the reason I insert the hook that way is so that my stitches will be aligned one on top of the other. And the pattern repeats. 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and into this single crochet, inserting the hook in the middle of it, I work a single crochet. Then again 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip the next 3 trebles, 1, 2, 3, and into the next one a single crochet. And that's how I'm going to continue crocheting this row. And at the end of the row here I made a single crochet into the single crochet, then 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I end with a single crochet into the last treble. Well, that last treble is not really a treble, it's a turning chain, so in top of it I make a single crochet. And now I have 2 rows worked. I turn my work and I start the next row with 1 chain and a single crochet into the first single crochet. Next 2 chains, 1, 2, and now into this single crochet I will work 7 trebles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then 2 chains, 1, 2, and into the next single crochet I work a single crochet. So this is what it looks like. And now the pattern begins to repeat from here. 2 chains, 1, 2, and into the next single crochet over here I work 7 trebles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then again 2 chains, 1, 2, and a single crochet into the next single crochet. And that's how I'm going to continue crocheting this row. And I end this row with 2 chains and a single crochet into the last single crochet over here. So this is what it looks like. I turn my work. I start the next row with 1 chain and a single crochet into the first single crochet. Then 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I skip the next 3 trebles, 1, 2, 3, and into the next one I work a single crochet. Then again 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and into the next single crochet I work a single crochet. Again 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip the next 3 trebles, 1, 2, 3, and into the next one a single crochet. 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip the next 3 trebles and into the next single crochet, a single crochet. And that's how I continue working this row. And I end this row with 5 chains and a single crochet into the last single crochet. I turn my work and I start the next row with 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 chains count as first treble, and now into this first single crochet I work 3 more trebles. 1, 2, and 3. Next 2 chains, 1, 2, and into the next single crochet over here I work a single crochet. Again 2 chains, 1, 2, and now into the next single crochet I will work 7 trebles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then 2 chains, 1, 2, and into the next single crochet I work a single crochet. So this is what it looks like, and the pattern begins to repeat from here. 2 chains, 1, 2, and into the next single crochet 7 trebles, then 2 chains and a single crochet into the next single crochet. And that's how I'm gonna continue crocheting this row. And I end this row with 2 chains and then 4 trebles into the last single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here I have 5 rows of the pattern worked, and from this point the pattern begins to repeat from row number 2. So there are 4 rows of the repeat in this pattern. That is row number 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here I crocheted more rows so you can see what the pattern looks like, and also you can see how beautifully the colors change in this yarn.